Good morning, dear students. Previous class, I have finished the problems on belong to symbol and also the problems on converting roster form into set builder form and set builder form to roster form. Like those problems I have finished on previous class. Today, we are going to solving problems on some both roster form and set builder form. First question is, list all the elements. List all the elements. List all the elements. List all the elements of the following. First question is A is equal to X is such that X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. Odd natural number here. Answer for this question is A is equal to odd natural numbers. Here in this set builder form, they did not give any limitations here. Just they mentioned here X is such that X is an odd natural number, and they did not mention like less than 1, X less than 4, X less than 5. They did not give those conditions. If they can give those conditions, easily we can analyze about those. They are finite sets. But like all this, questions are belonging in finite sets here. How we are going to learn about this is the infinite set means they did not given any finite symbols here. They did not given any limitations here. Just they mentioned X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number starts from 1 only. Generally, the set of all natural numbers starts from 1 onwards like this. That's what in this set, odd natural numbers you are seeing here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, up to and so on like this. It is the answer for this question. Just they want odd natural numbers only. But how many they did not mention here. They did not mention the number of odd natural numbers means that question is belonging to infinite set. If this set is uncountable number of elements, this set contains uncountable number of elements means we are telling that set is infinite set. That's what here answer for this question we can write here. A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, up to and so on. This is the answer for the first question under the list all the elements of the following. Next, let us will move to second question now. Second question is B is equal to X is such that X is an integer. X is an integer that is minus 1 by 2 is less than X is less than 9 by 2 is there. Here in this circular form, they mentioned the value of x lies between minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. Open interval, minus 1 by 2. Exclude minus 1 by 2 and last one also exclude 9 by 2. Between those, just they are asking integers. They don't ask any real numbers here. Whenever if they can ask real number means we should consider fractions also. Just they are asking here integers, but how many, what are they here? See here, answer for this question is easily we can tell answer for this. But value should write. What is the value? Minus 1 by 2 is less than x is less than 9 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5 is less than x is less than 9 by 2 means here how much? 9 by 2 means here 9 by 2 means here you are getting here 4.5. 4.5 between minus 0.5 to 4.5. How many integers you will get? We must list out them. Question is only list out. List all the following. List all the elements of the following they mentioned. Now we are going to listing all the elements. They must present between minus 0.5 to 4.5. That element should be an integer. About those integers now we are going to writing in this answer. See here, according to that we can write elements of this axis. B is equal to elements minus 0.52 integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop here. Actually, the option you can observe here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up and so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up and so on. Here in this box, if you can observe here, minus 0.5 will come here and 4.5 will come here. Of this. Between these the elements are what are the elements? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the integers. That's why after minus 0.5 and before 9 by 2 means before 4.5, what are the integers we must list out here. After minus 0.5, before 4.5, what are the integers now? We are listing them only. Then answer becomes for this second question is that B is equal to set of the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer for the second question. Next, let us solve next remaining questions now. Next third question is that C is equal to X is such that X is an integer. X is an integer. X is an integer, comma x square less than or equal to 4. X square less than or equal to 4 here. X square less than or equal to 4 means first we must equate is equal to 4. X square is equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 2. Less than or equal to minus 4 symbol means the value should be greater than minus 2 and greater than or equal to minus 2. The value should be less than or equal to plus 2. How means I will show in the solution of this third question. Answer for this question is third question. Then they mentioned here the value is x square less than or equal to 4. That means in outside, just you consider here x square is equal to 4. Then x square is equal to here x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 here. Then we will get x is equal to here plus or minus 2. But here one more inequality is there. Inequality less than or equal to minus 4 means x value is greater than or equal to minus 2 or x value is less than or equal to plus 2. X value is greater than or equal to minus 2. The value should be minus 2 or more than minus 2. Or the value should be less than 2 or equal to 2. Those elements now we are going to list out in this flower brackets. How means I will show now. Then C is equal to, based on this concept, we can write elements of the set C like this: minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, that's all. This is the answer. See, if you can observe here, minus 2 whole square plus 4 is equal to 4. Less or is equal to. Here two meanings are there. Less or equal. It may be less or it may be equal. But in these two, less or equal, you must and should get less or equal. Not more than and not more than here. Not more than here. That's why minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. All these 5 elements satisfy this condition. X square less than or equal to 4. Otherwise, you apply this condition at the outside, you can equate x square is equal to 4. On calculating here, x is equal to plus or minus 2 will get. It means inequality, the meaning of inequality is not equal to is the value of x is greater than or equal to minus 2 or the value of x less than or equal to plus 2. That is the meaning. From minus 2 to plus 2, which integers are we are getting here? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This is the correct answer for this third question. Now let us, we are going to solving one more question here from the 3 onwards. Fourth question. X is such that, fourth question, D is equal to X is such that, X is such that X is a month, X is a month, X is a month, X is a month of a year. Month of a year not having 31 days, not having 31 days, not having 31 days. See here, 31 days, which months does not having here? February. Because first we list out the 31 days, which months having generally? January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These months having 31 days. But remaining months do not have 31 days. Which months do not have 31 days? We must list out those months only here. That means answer for this question is, in that answer we are going to writing the month names of the months which are not having 31 days. That is the answer for this question is D is equal to, first month is February, next month is April, These types of months they do not have 31 days. April and afterwards June. Next afterwards September. Next afterwards November. These months do not have 31 days. February, April, June, September, November. These months do not have 31 days in their periods. But 31 days, which months they have? January, March, July, May, July, August, October and December. 7 months. 7 months and remaining 5 months. Totally 12. 7 months have 31 days. Remaining 5 months have 30 days. That's why these months, February, April, June, September and November, these months do not have 31 days. That's why I listed all the names of all these 5 months here. This is the answer for the 4th question. Next, let us start at the 5th question now. X is that E is equal to X is such that X is a letter. X is a letter. X is a letter. Letter in the word loyal. In the word loyal. In this word, we are going to writing all the letters here. Loyal. Answer for this question is E is equal to letters in the word loyal. Letters are L, Y, O, Y, A are there. But here L has repeated twice. When it has repeated twice means to all these two should write only one time. Already I told also in case of representing of the sets. In case of roster form, I told about this condition. Whenever any element can repeat it any number of times, to all those we should write only once. Here in this word loyal, L has repeated twice. That's what to these two should write only one time. That's the answer for this question is E is equal to L, O, Y, A. That's all. Or you can arrange like this also. A, Y, O, Y, L. Already I told about this condition also. Order should not important here. You can write in any way, but that should be arrange them on that is separated by commas and arranging within enclosing the floor brackets here. That type of form is called a roster form. Next, 6th question. Next, 6th question. F is equal to X is such that X is a consonant. X is a consonant. X is a consonant in the English alphabet. In the English alphabet. Precedes K. Before K, what are the consonant letters we should write? Consonant vowels generally, what are the vowels here? A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U are the vowels. These are all the vowels. But remaining all letters are consonants. Other than those letters, which letters you are getting before K, we must and should list out them only here. Here vowels means A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U are the vowels. Other than those remaining all are consonants. But those consonants should be before K. Precedes K means before K. That we should write here. Answer for this question is F is equal to A should not come because A is vowel, but they are asking here consonant only. B, comma, C, comma, D, comma. E will not come because E is vowel, but they are asking consonant. E, comma, F, G, H. I will not come because I is the vowel here. J. That's all. K, I, J, after J, K will come because they are not asking K. Precedes K. Precedes K means before K. What are the consonants? We must answer list of them only. According to that statement, we can list out all these letters. Those letters are consonant here. That is F is equal to B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, F, comma, G, comma, H, comma, J. This is the answer for this question. Next, some more questions now. Here, next questions, one side they gave some roster form sets and one side they gave set builder forms sets, but we must and should match them, and which is matching to another, just the matching them, which roster form is matched to which set builder form. That like that we must match the all the four questions in next question. That question is match the following. Match each of the following, each of the sets, each of the left in the roster form, each of the left in the roster form, in the roster form with the same sets, with the same sets, with the same sets on the right, described in the set builder form, in the set builder form here. One side is one question. First one is 1, 2, 3, 6. Second question 2, 3. Third question M, A, T, H comma E comma I comma C comma S. First 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. This is the roster form. One side they gave set builder form for this. A. First one is A. X is such that X is an odd natural number. X is an odd natural number. Natural number less than 10. It is 1. Second, B. X is such that X is a natural number divisor of 6. X is a natural number divisor of 6. Next, C. X is such that X is a natural number and X is not natural number. X is a prime number divisible by 6. X is such that X is prime is a prime number and divisor of 6. Last one is D. X is such that X is a letter. X is a letter of the words. Letter of the words mathematics. This is the question. But matching. Which is matched to which is? Which roster form is matched to which set builder form? It is a roster form. One side they gave roster form and one side they gave set builder form. Here we must check them. This roster form is matched to which one? Here they gave first set is 1, 2, 3, 6. Check this here. X is an odd natural number less than 10, but it is not matched. X is natural number divided of 6. Exact it is a map to this. X is a natural number divided of 6 means 1 divided 6, 2 divided 6 and 3 divided 6 and 6 divided 6. That's why it is the first set is the Roman number 1 is mapped with the B's second B question of the set builder forms. Next 2, 3. 2, 3 it is not mapped first because they are asking in A an odd natural number less than 10. Second question matched with C because prime number and divisor of 6. See, if you can observe 2 and 3, 2 is also prime at the same time divisor of 6. 3 is also prime and divisor of 6. That's why the second one is mapped to the C here. Next, M, E, T, H, E, I, C, S. These are all the letters of the word mathematics. Letters of the words. Already mathematics is there. Last D bit is there. X is a letter of the word mathematics. That's why the third question mapped to the D here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If you can observe 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all odd natural numbers. These are all odd natural number means whether they are mapped with the first bit A or not here. Because in case of A, they mentioned here x is such that x is an odd natural number and less than 10. That's why the last fourth one is mapped with first bits. How first bit means x is such that x is a natural number less than 10. That's why 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 mapped with the A bits. Like that, one side they gave row cell form, one side they gave set builder forms. But which the first row cell form of first question is mapped with which question of row cell less set builder form. Second row cell form is mapped with which question of set builder form. Like that, we must actually match. We should draw a matching between question to question. Like that, we match to all these 4 questions to all the 4 questions of set builder forms. The answer for this question. Just today I told I felt like all these questions. After this question, exercise 1.1 is over. Next questions will start from exercise 1.2. 1.2 means the questions are there on null sets, on finite sets, on infinite sets and equal sets. Like that, we will see different types of questions in exercise 1.2. 1.2 just they are asking statements in that question which is forming null set, and second type questions which sets are forming finite sets and which sets are said to be infinite sets. At same time, little bit some questions are there on equal sets also. Which questions are equal sets? That's just they mention the name, the following sets which are equal sets. Like these questions we will see on next class here. That's why today after that I have finished. Okay, next class onwards we'll see some extra questions we'll solve on exercise 1.2. Thank you very much.